and she needs to create invoices so she can get paid because it is important to get paid. This is Tracy with I Get It Tech Class, and here's the question of the week. I have an associate who is starting a service and she needs to create invoices so she can get paid because it is important to get paid. She wanted to know what's the easiest way to go ahead and do this, to create it in a spreadsheet or to use Word or to use a template that she found online. For her, a spreadsheet is going to be the best bet. My opinion, not yours. First off, using Word or using a template like Canva. They've got some, nice looking templates for invoices, but you can't do a whole lot of customization with that. And by customization, I mean making the look of it to what you want, how you want it to look, to tailor it to your business's brand and style. But there's an additional reason why not use a spreadsheet. It will do the calculations for you. Word and templates that are not spreadsheets cannot do that. So using Excel or Google Sheets, you can put in calculations that will tally what the unit price and the quantity ordered is and pop that in. You can put in a calculation that will total up all of the prices, all of the cost. Once you set that up one time, now you've got your template that works for your business, and you're not doing those calculations every time. Every time you get a new customer, you pop in the customer information and you pop in whatever it is that the service or product that you are selling and the quantities, and those calculations tally it all up and they get the math right because it's a spreadsheet. As long as you have the calculations right. Formatting a spreadsheet to kind of look the way that you want it for an invoice, there isn't a lot to it. You might be making some columns wider, some more narrow. You might be doing some formatting to make sure that the numbers look like currency. And like I said, you're putting in some calculations. Maybe changing, like I said, colors to match your branding, and definitely putting your logo in there. Once you've made those adjustments, if you look at it in print preview, see how it looks, tweak it a little bit more. But again, once you're done with it, now you've got your invoice. It's already set. It's ready. It's got the calculations in there, and it is branded for your company. I actually have a third reason for her in particular to use it. Because she's not yet using an accounting program, go ahead and get used to using a spreadsheet. Use that spreadsheet while you're already creating these invoices. Get your numbers in there as you go. Don't have a stack of paper or piles of paper for receipts and invoices that one day you're going to put into an accounting program or have some accountant do. It's so much easier just to start doing it from the beginning as you go, even if you're putting it in a simple spreadsheet. One table, one tab for revenue, another tab for expenses. It's going to be easier in the long run. I have been through this with several businesses where getting that accounting system going was already enough work, but having to put in numbers for 4 months, some in bank statements that can be imported, and some on paper, it was a little chaotic. So go ahead and start tracking that stuff now in an organized way in a spreadsheet while you're at it. That's my thought for the question of the week. Confident computing starts here.